this Honda Pilot 2005 got a problem with the cooling fans. As you can see, only one cooling fan is spinning, the second one doesn't, and currently AC is to the full blast. As you can see, AC is on, so both cooling fans should spin. So let's troubleshoot this issue. Well, I checked the relay and fuses. There is a condenser fan relay and there is a cooling fan relay. I tested them and all of them are fine. And then I found out that cooling fan fuse for the 30A is burned. So I took the puller, I pulled the fuse out, and as you can see, this fuse is burned. There is a spare fuses which are located right here, so I took a spare and replaced it. Let's turn the engine on and check. So after the fuse was replaced, this one, the faulty one, was a cooling fan fuse. I actually get the voltage from a cooling fan connector which doesn't spin. As you can see, condenser fan is spinning and the cooling fan doesn't spin, but connector have voltage. I realized that I got the faulty cooling fan. So let's replace the engine cooling fan on this Honda Pilot 2005. First of all, using 10mm socket, disconnect the battery. When the battery is disconnected, using the flat screwdriver, start popping off those to remove this plastic trim. So you have to remove this one, this is actually like a bunch of them. Remove all of them. It will take you some time. Remove the remaining. It's already partially out. I have a few more to remove. This one and this one. As soon as you remove it, you can see the mounting bolts of the fan. This one and this one. So start removing those bolts. As you can see, electrical connector is already disconnected. You can use a Phillips screwdriver. But at the beginning they pretty tight. So I will recommend to use 10mm socket. To remove them. The first one is removed and the second one located right here. As you can see, they pretty tight at the beginning. That's why it's better to use 10mm socket. And this one is already removed. So let us remove the second one. When those two bolts are removed, it's not so easy to remove the fan. You will need to disengage this electrical connector from here, and also probably to remove this cooling hose, and also to remove this hood release bracket as well, because as you can see, all those are preventing the fan from being removed. So I already start removing this hood release mechanism. All of them are secured. This mechanism is secured on 10mm bolts. So start removing those. The hood release mechanism mounted on two bolts from this side, right here and here, and just on one bolt from the other side. It's almost out. I have to remove one more bolt, which is located right here on top of the mounting bracket. Right, for better access, this grounding point has to be removed as well. Alright, it's time to disconnect this electrical connector. You have to press with a screwdriver on it, right here, and it will come out.